Hey guys, this is how to recover permanently deleted files from Windows PC. So guys, let's say I'm going to delete this file over here. And guys, just right click on it and you'll be able to click on delete. And now it is gone. And in order for you to recover it, just simply go to your start menu over here guys and search for recycle bin. And it is over here. So now just click on this. And from here, guys, you should be able to see all of your deleted files on your PC. And as you can see, this is the file that we just deleted earlier. And from here, in order for you to recover it, just simply right click on it and you will be able to click on restore over here. And after that, it will get back to the folder where you deleted it. So as you can see, it automatically get back and we will be able to recover it now and we will be able to open it up. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.